can we make our meetings more productive? Today, you need to use more content than one screen can handle. Share more with Vision Exchange. You can connect many sources, even the participants' devices, and mirror those devices. Fitting everything into one view screen. Just drag and drop. Don't waste your time switching cables. When communicating remotely, there is nothing more frustrating than not being able to see what is discussed. Be it by tablet, smartphone, or whiteboard. Communicate better with Vision Exchange. Adding video connections is simple. Share easily with the far side with drag and drop. Keep everyone in the loop with annotation. Simply jump in with tablet or smartphone images. Even whiteboard content can be shared instantly. And then save your meeting outcome to any of your devices. So share more and communicate better, just as if you were in the same room. Make your meetings more productive with Vision Exchange.